Okay, this is a short tutorial to walk you through how to install the kobocollect app, which you'll be using to implement to collect data actually for the community rights and gender project. So basically, to install the app, you go to your Play Store. As if you're using an Android based phone, you could go to Play Store, and then on Play Store, you search for the app called Kobo Collect. So you type it as Kobo Collect, Kobo Collect, and then you search. Once you search, one of the first option will be this. So you click on install. So you allow it to install. So it's just 9.1 MB. So it's less than 10 MB. So you allow the app to install. So after downloading, you allow it to install. This may take some minutes depending on how fast your network is. So after it finishes, installing, it will bring you here where you click on open. To open the app. So it brings you to the menu here. Here you have different options, fill blank form, get all that. So once you successfully install it, it brings you to this point. Okay, so the next stage now is to set up the form so that it's for us to connect to the server so that we can be able to access the CRG project form from your mobile device. Yeah. So how you get that done is you go to the top, click on these three vertical dotted line, these three lines here, click on it, and then select general settings. Select general settings. So once you select general settings, you go to server and click on server. So once you click on server, it brings you here where you enter the URL. So I'll drop the URL. So the URL where to enter here is humanitarian response dot info humanitarian response of info. Alternatively, you could click this drop down and then so we have it here, kc.humanitarianresponse.info. Make sure your spellings are right, then you click OK. The next step is to enter the username. The username is Akomin. As a username. So you click and enter. Then the password is IT support at acomin.org. So you click on this and click on enter. So once you're done, you click on the back button, you go back, and then ensure that the credentials you entered are correct. Then the next thing is to get blank form. So how do you do that? You click on the get blank form button, and then it connects to the server. You give it some minutes, it goes to the server and generates the form. So once the form, you confirm if it's the form, and then after that you check it to select it, and then after that you click on this button here, get selected. So once you click on get selected, it says download result, community rights and gender CRG projects. So this is the project. Then you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you are set to start filling the form. So how do you get started filling the form? You click on fill blank form. It brings you here. You select the form, and then it takes you here. So this is how you go about it. So in filling the form, of course, if you're filling it from a particular state, let's say Anambra, you select Anambra, click on next. Which local government, you select Oka, as if you're under Oka. Then you select your CBO. What's the name of your CBO? CBO in Oka. What's the name of the CBO? I can't recall the name, but however, I'll just pick a name. Click on next. Name of the community. So community where interview is conducted. Let's say Abia. Click on next. Name of interviewer. I'll just use my name. So but you're expected to use your name. Next, phone number of interviewer. I'll enter my phone number 07. Okay. Then next, what are the health problems you encounter? So here you start accessing the questions. This is how you access. You access all the questions like this. Make sure you select the options provided. So if it's a yes or no question, you make sure you capture all that. So once you're done, let me keep going. I'm still in section B. You can swipe. Instead of clicking on next, you can be swiping. Just swipe, and then it takes you to the next question. So once you're done filling the form, it brings you here. It says you are at the end of the community rights and gender project, then upcoming year. Then you click on save form and exit. So once you click on save form and exit, form is saved and exit, right? So once you're done filling the form and then you click on save form and exit, the next stage is to send finalized form. However, you can go back to a form and make an edit or something. So to submit the final copy, you go to send finalized form. Yes, so you select the form which you filled, and then you click on send selected. Once you click on this, okay, the result will be uploaded to the database where the admin, where we can fetch your records and then carry on with the analysis from there.